What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're looking at Hbar. The last time I left you guys off here, I told you this here is the support we cannot lose at all, because if we do lose it, expect a dump back to this wick, which is also in line with the 1618 fib level. Out of the retracement from this dump, we have this massive impulse over here. So the bottom of this dump over here, this was the bottom. We saw this impulse back up. After this bullish impulse, we need to retrace, and so we do not want to lose the golden pocket. But if there was a specific level that we can't lose whatsoever, it is that level of 0.57 cent, and we did not want to see a daily close below that. You can see that we actually dumped all the way down to it, but actually holding it as support and pumping almost 13% since the bottom. So a nice 12 and a bit percent pump since the bottom. We have not lost the 1 fib level, so we should not expect the 1618. If going forward you see Hbar losing this level that is just bounced off, then do expect 4.5 cent. But as long as we remain above it, you can see what we're trying to do now is close a daily candle above the 20. We have not done so yet, but if we can actually close above the 20, right now we are above it, but we do have 9 hours left, so we can't get overconfident that this is going to close above. If it does, amazing, but we do need to wait for the close. We need confirmations, and we can only make judgments off confirmation. So wait for this daily close. If it does stay above this purple line, then what should be expected is a pump towards this orange line or this golden box as well, so this golden pocket. Going forward, you actually need to reclaim this level. This is something on the Bitcoin chart you've actually seen happen. So Hbar could be a bit lagged, but for Bitcoin, we've seen Bitcoin actually pump through it right now. So for Bitcoin going forward, hold that. For Hbar going forward, we still need to see this pump. When will we see this pump? How do we know if it's going to happen? Close above this purple line tonight, and then you actually start going up towards this gold box. This is a key level of resistance going forward, so what should be expected is just further struggle basically, and you should actually continue down and lose this 1 fib level. But if again you actually manage to somehow hold this level and break above this gold box and confirm it as support, then we could actually start to see some upside back to this retracing back to in around 8.5 cent. But yeah, for the moment, that's pretty much it. If you didn't quite get what I was saying, just watch the video again. I prepared you guys for both scenarios today, and all we need to do is react. If we see a close above the 55 and above this gold box, that is extremely bullish. Expect some upside, but again, there's going to be some key resistance at 8.5 cent going forward. But yeah, for the moment, it's all about reclaiming this gold box, because as long as you're below it, it means that this move to the upside is a bull trap. So it means that we should actually see continuation downwards like this to 4.5 cent. But as long as we're above this support, remember, we can't be bearish, and that's why when we came down to that support, you bounced off it, and that's why we're seeing almost a 13% pump from there, because as long as you're above it, you're bullish. So if you come down to it, you should bounce off of it. If you lose it, that's how you know you're not bullish, we're bearish, and we're coming to these targets. But as long as we're above the 1 fib level, now it's telling us we're going to try and attempt to get to this gold box and break above it. But if it fails to break above it, that's when it's going to try to come down and lose it again and continue to these targets. But you could, you know, somehow find support, have another go at it, break it, confirm it support, you start to head up just like that. So going forward, just keep an eye on these specific levels I gave you in today's update. If you're not aware of what they are, just watch the video back again. Please leave a like if you found value in today's video, share this video, subscribe as we're on the road to 5k as soon as we can. And yeah, if you want education on how this is all done, I do have that over on my Twitter, Louis_crypto. Private message me there. Thank you guys.